everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to Lisa B. Today all you need is a tea towel or a little hand towel. So press pause, what's pause? Press pause, go and grab one, and we are going to do a serious ab burnout. Let's get on with it. So let's just do a little bit of warm-up exercises. So keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. So we're going to lie down, get the pelvis in neutral, so relax your abs for a moment so your lower back's probably raised off the mat slightly. So grab hold of each end of the towel, take the arms up towards the ceiling, and then you're just going to move the arms to the right as the knees fall to the left. And come up and over, nice easy breath. Just keep everything relaxed. Keep breathing. So in through the nose, out through the mouth. And then bring the arms up towards the ceiling and bring the knees to centre. So take an inhale through the nose, exhale, tummy muscles in. So really pull the belly in towards the spine, lower back now goes closer to the mat. So inhale, left leg into tabletop, exhale, right leg. Inhale, left leg down, exhale, right leg. Keep breathing, inhale, left leg up. Exhale, right leg. No jerky movements. Inhale, left leg down. Exhale, right leg. Lower back into the mat the whole time. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, right leg. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, right leg back down. One more time. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, right leg. Hold here. Knees to the left. Arms over to the right. Don't let your knees or your arms touch the floor. Keep the knees together, ankles together. Back to centre. Over to the other side, abs are in, so you should feel like your abs are controlling this. Keep the shoulders relaxed, try not to bring any tension into the upper body. And just go as low as you can without letting the knees fall to the floor. Keep the tummy muscles in. Keep looking up so the head stays in neutral, neck is in line with the spine. Keep breathing. Come back to centre. So relax your arms. So now, inhale as you take the arms back behind you. Left leg straightens. Exhale in. Inhale, right leg straightens, arms go behind you. Exhale in. Shoulders are relaxed. Let's go for 10. 1. Lower back into the mat the whole time. 2. 3. Really point those toes. 4. 5, 6, should feel like the thighs are warming up a little bit. 7, 8, really pull that belly button in towards the spine. 1 more. Let's go for the double. Inhale, lengthen, exhale in. Inhale, lengthen, exhale in. The lower to the floor you go, the harder it's going to be on the abs, so stay high to make it a little bit easier. There's 4. We've got 6 more. I can really feel that my thighs are working here as well. For 4, keep breathing. Keep pulling the belly in. 3, keep a little smile on your face, it makes it easier. 2, 1, and relax. Bring the knees in, have a little rock from side to side. I'm not going to take too many breaks because I really want you to feel it in your abs today. So you're going to bring the tea towel behind the head. This is really good if you get neck pain. So now take an inhale, exhale, tummy muscles in, lift your head and shoulders, look towards your thighs, left leg into tabletop, right leg into tabletop. Make sure you're looking at the knee kind of area rather than the ceiling. Keep the head in line with the spine. So now heels together, toes apart, flex the feet, push away, bring them in. For 1. Flex as you push away, point the toes as you bring in, that's 3. 4, keep pulling the belly in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs up towards the ceiling, heels together, toes apart, externally rotate the legs so thighs are turning out to the side. Double leg lower for 1, 2, pull the belly in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, into scissors, right leg towards you, left leg lowers for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Abs should be on fire. Let's go into the roll up. Straighten the legs, take an inhale. Exhale, tummy muscles in. Roll up with that lift in the feet. Oh, let me move back a little bit. Then we're going to go forward into a stretch. Round that back. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, back. Head is the last thing. Inhale. So this is really getting into the upper abs as well as the lower abs. And getting some nice flexibility there. Use the core on the way back. Don't let gravity just take you. Let's go for 4 more of these. Gets a little bit harder the more you do of these. These are so good for the abs. Let's go for 1 more. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in. Let's go into the saw and add a little variation here. So more into the hamstring stretch, good for the spine. So take the arms up, relax your shoulders down, long spine, try not to be rolling back or folding forward. So inhale, rotate the arms so the left hand comes by the right baby toe. Down, 1, 2, inhale up, exhale other side, 1, 2, inhale, exhale down. Really push that breath out, inhale, exhale down, 1, 2, inhale, exhale down, 1, 2, really flex the feet, exhale down, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, inhale, 1 more each side, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, inhale, and come down. And then we're going to go into some Russian twists, great for the obliques. So bend the knees, place the feet onto the mat, bring your arms up, long straight spine. So crown of the head reaching up towards the ceiling, take an inhale, exhale belly in, roll back, gaze down at your thighs, and then we're going to twist. Don't let your knees or your hips move for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull the belly in, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, arms to center and come back up. Inhale, exhale back, scoop the belly, hover here, really pull the tummy muscles in, relax your shoulders. We're going to lift the arms as we come forward for 1, 2, 3, 4, long spine as you come up, gaze down as you go back, 5, 6, 7, really pull those tummy muscles in, 8, 9, 10, and rest. Then we're going to go back Russian twists with the legs in half boat. Feet on the mat to modify, so take an inhale, exhale belly in, roll back. Now find your balance, relax your shoulders, long spine, scoop the belly in, left leg into tabletop, right leg into tabletop, and tap for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As the knees go to the left, the arms come to the right, let the knees move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to center, maybe add a little lift. Let's go boat to open for 1, 2, 3, my head and shoulders not coming to the mat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that was amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm so serious today. This is a serious ab burner. So we're going to roll back, then come up into a modified teaser. So T-tail onto the thighs. Let's get in position, legs in tabletop, take an inhale. Exhale, tummy muscles in, roll up, peel the spine off the mat, let the legs lower, come back in so your calf muscles are parallel to the mat. Now lower back with control. So lower back, middle back, upper back, head comes down. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Let the legs lower. This should be effort. Your abs should be shaking. Roll back down. Lower back, middle back, upper back and head. Inhale. Exhale, lift. And down. Let's go for 2 more. Exhale, lift. And back down. And exhale, lift. And back down. Let's take the T-towel, move the towel. Take your arms up towards the ceiling. Ooh. Take an inhale. Exhale, lift. Same thing again, but you haven't got the arms underneath there, so much more in the abs. Arms up towards the ceiling, long spine. Arms towards the wall. Arms go back. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Let the legs lower. Lift the arms. Lower the arms. Roll back down with control. My voice is shaking. My abs are shaking. My thighs are shaking. Roll back down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Harder the more you do. Oh my goodness, but what a burn. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Last one. And relax. Just for a second, and then come up and over. Let's work into that back strength. So I might go this way today to change it up a little bit. I normally go the other way. It's funny how we get comfortable doing exactly the same things. So tummy muscles are in, back strength, then we're going to go to glutes. So take an inhale, exhale, lift the abs away from the mat. So suck the tummy muscles in, lift your head and shoulders, lift the arms, pull the towel back towards you for 1, 2, keep looking down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, arms go forward and relax. Then we're going to lift everything. Then we're going to open and close the legs fast. Click the heels together and open. So glutes, really squeeze your bottom. Pull the belly in, lift the head and shoulders, arms stay still. Open and close. 10, 9, 8, 7. Really squeeze that bottom. Get the thighs off the mat for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's add the arms. Arms come back, legs open, arms go forward, legs close for 1, 2, 3, 4. Really squeeze the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold here, Superman hold. Breathe, breathe, and lower. Oh my God, don't you just feel alive and magnificent? So what you would now do is repeat that again. Yes, you heard that right. Repeat that bad boy again. Or you can take a little stretch, so arms come up. Let's stretch to the side. Up and over. Release the towel. Let's do a twist. Come to centre. That was just about 15 minutes, serious core burner. But yeah, do it again, treat yourself. It's not every day you do some Pilates on YouTube, so do it again, get 30 minutes in. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful day or a lovely sleep, and just feel good about your day or your evening, whatever it is you're going to do. Please subscribe, it helps me to keep up with uploading videos and keeping the channel going, so thank you.